everyone, what's up? It's Shruti and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Since wedding season has just started, I thought I'll share my favorite lip combos or lipsticks that are perfect for this wedding season. So without further ado, let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Let's start with lip combo number 1, which is like the perfect lip combo for all Indian skin tone, and I mean it. If you're a lighter shade or a deeper shade, I guarantee you this pink lip combo is gonna look perfect on every Indian skin tone. And to achieve this, I have used around 4 products. So let's do it one by one. First, I'm gonna use Etude Dear Darling Water Tint in the shade Pomegranate. It's a beautiful pink color, and I'm gonna use this all over my lips and try to overline slightly in the middle, on the top as well as my bottom lip with this. I love this shade. It looks so pretty in general. Next, I went ahead with Etude Fixing Tint in the shade 07 Cranberry Plum. I love the texture of this fixing tint. It's very lightweight, airy, and it just goes on like a mousse and then sets matte. And I love that it does not emphasize the light, so it looks very pretty and blurry, and it's a perfect plum shade. This lip combo definitely needed a brown lip liner, so I went ahead with Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade 02 Deep Dawn. It's the perfect brown lip liner, and I'm gonna line my lips slightly. I think this lip liner definitely brings the whole lip combo together. I'm gonna try to fill the edges as well with this lip liner. Blend everything in and look at that beautiful lip combo. I'm in love with it. I personally prefer matte lip combos for the wedding season because it just lasts so much more longer. But if you're a gloss girly, then I would add Hyphen's Vitamin Infused Peptide Lip Balm in the shade Marshmallow. I feel this is like a perfect addition to this lip combo. It's such a pretty pink lip shade and adds a beautiful gloss to your lips. This is definitely one of my favorite lip combos. What do you guys think? Wedding season is incomplete without a red lip combo. So combo number 2 is definitely going to be a red lip. First, I'm going to go ahead with Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade 02 Deep Dawn, and I'm going to line my lips with this. Now, if you want to overline your lips, definitely now is the time to do that. I like to overline slightly near the cupid's bow and over here at the bottom, and try to tape down near the edges. So yeah, that's how I like to line my lips. And I definitely like to fill it in near the edges as well. Next, I'm gonna use Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade 06 Red Tease, and the remaining parts I'm gonna fill it with this lip liner. I always like to add a little bit of lip liner underneath the lipstick. I feel like lipstick chala jayega to bhi lip liner underneath hai. It just lasts so much more longer. For lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead with Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon lipstick in the shade 10 Cherry Darling. This is such a perfect red lip shade for all Indian skin tones, especially if you have warm under skin tone. This is gonna look beautiful. For final touches, I'm gonna go ahead with Mars lip liner in the shade 02 Deep Dawn and just make it a little bit more prominent. Add a little bit more near the edges, blend everything in, and this is how the lip combo looks like. I absolutely love it. This is definitely my go-to red lip combo, और जब भी मुझे red lipstick लगाना होता है, this is exactly what I like to do, and it just looks stunning. For lip combo number 3, I wanted to share my go-to mauvey nude lip combo, and this is exactly that. Whenever I like to do like a bold eye look, then this is the lipstick that goes along with it, and I think it just perfectly complements every wedding look, especially when you want to go big with the eyes. So yeah, let's get started with this. I think by now you guys have got the drill. Every lip look starts with a brown lip liner, and of course I'm gonna go ahead again with my trusty Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade 02 Deep Dawn. This is such a perfect brown lip liner to have, and they are so inexpensive. So using this, I'm gonna line my lips. You can definitely overline them if you want, and I'm gonna fill it in near the edges as well. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead with my favorite lipstick. It's by Faye. It's the Lip Whip in the shade Edge. Faye lipsticks in general are my favorite lipstick. They are so beautiful. The texture, the colors that are available, absolutely gorgeous. And this shade Edge in particular, it's like the perfect mauvey nude shade. But if I use this just as it is, it definitely washes me out. So this with my brown lip liner, it's like a beautiful combination for the perfect nude, mauvey nude lips for me. If you go a little overhead with the lipstick, don't worry, just go ahead with the lip liner and correct everything, blend it in, and voila, this is the lip combo number 3, the perfect mauvey nude lipstick. For me, I feel this complements my skin tone beautifully. So if you're something similar, this combination, just try it out, you're gonna love it. And I feel this lip combo in general will look really good on all skin tones, especially deeper skin tones as well. Will be your perfect nude lip combo as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys love it. For lip combo number 4, I wanted to go a little bit more darker, a little bit more bolder. I feel wedding season is the perfect time to experiment with bolder lip combos, and this lip combo, I mean, it's the perfect combination of a hint of brown, a hint of wine, red. It's just beautiful. So let's see how I did this. First, of course, I have to line my lips with a brown lip liner. I'm using this one by Mars. It's the Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade 02 Deep Dawn. Went ahead and lined my lips. I also like to fill in the edges with the same lip liner. Blend it a little, and for lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead with Color Chemistry Lip and Cheek Crayon in the shade Rosewood LC01. It's a beautiful creamy matte formula, glides on your lips like butter and lasts so much longer. Perfect for the wedding season. And look at this beautiful shade. It's the perfect hint of brown, a little bit of wine, red, definitely much more darker than my preference, but I don't use this every single day. I think this is like a perfect lipstick for the weddings. Let me know what you guys think about this lip combo, because this is definitely one of my favorites again. Moving on to the last lip combo for this video, and for this lip combo I definitely wanted to share my favorite brown lip combo. I mean, who doesn't love a brown lip combo? And I feel brown lipsticks just complements Indian skin tone so well. Whether you're a lighter skin shade or a deeper skin shade, brown just looks perfect on everyone. So let's see how I got this lip color. Of course, first we have to line our lips with the Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade 02 Deep Dawn. Go ahead and line your lips. Again, I'm gonna fill the edges with this lip liner. Blend everything in, and to get that beautiful terracotta brown lip shade, I'm gonna use Color Chemistry Lip and Cheek Crayon in the shade Terracotta LC10. I just love Color Chemistry lipsticks. They just glide on like butter, and the color combinations that I've come out with, I think that's perfect for the wedding season and perfect for Indian skin tones as well. Just look at this beautiful terracotta brown color. I think it's a true terracotta color, and it just looks beautiful on all Indian skin tones. Yeah, this is definitely the last lip combo of this video. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, let me know your favorite lip combo or lipstick in today's video. And if you want a part 2 of this series, I would love to make it for you guys. सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. Do not forget to check them out. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to floor the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that